Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I have Kim and she's going to introduce you to her YouTube channel.
So hi everyone, I'm Kimberly Grau, Red Moth Art, and I've collabed with Zaina in the past, and she's encouraged me to make a YouTube channel, and I'm finally going to do it. So it's going to be called Red Moth Art. It's going to have videos of various things, mainly related to art and fashion. You'll get to check out some of the designs I'll be making. You'll get to see some maybe tutorials and just some interesting stuff that I do on a daily basis.
Awesome, thank you Kim. If you like this video that we will be presenting to you about fashion, and Kim is going to show us her designs and what kind of fabric she's going to use with them. We will be styling these dresses according to my style and her style. You can help us choose which dress Kim should be wearing and how to pair it with some shoes and accessories. So we would love to hear more about it from you guys. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. I will be linking Kim's channel in the description box below, so don't forget to subscribe to her channel.
Thank you, appreciate it very much. So as Zaina said, Austin Fashion Week is coming up. It had to be rescheduled because of inclement weather. And I'm going to be designing an outfit that I'll be wearing to it, but I'm going to need your help. I need you to help me decide which one I should do. So I have the fabric cut, I have my designs ready, and I'm going to show them to you. But I want to get Zaina's opinion on how to style it, just her opinion on the look as well. And feel free to give me your opinions as well. And vote for your favorite look, because the most votes, I will actually be wearing that dress for that
Awesome. So guys, you will be participating in Austin Fashion Week through your comments and your suggestions. Thank you so much in advance, and without any further ado, let's get started.
So I have 3 choices to present to you, and I need your help. I need you to pick which one you like the best, and I will be wearing that one for Austin Fashion Week. So choices are Candy, each one got a name. This one's Candy, Ink, and then lastly is LAAL. So we're going to be talking about each one of them. I'm going to tell you about the story behind them, the fabrics that I'm using, and just kind of the overall idea I had behind them. And then Zaina is going to help me out and kind of give me another perspective and tell me like some ideas I can use to style them, or just her knowledge of fabrics as well. The first one is Candy. Each one gets a name. So Candy is very sweet, and it's a light pink sweetheart neckline dress. I was inspired by candy and sugary things because I love sweets. So all of these I'm already currently making, and I'm going to be wearing one of them for Austin Fashion Week. And so this one right here is my sweetheart neckline. It's also a high-low hemline that's a circle cut, and I'm going to have this little light beading around the bodice and the skirt area. And then I have these really cute Steve Madden glitter pumps I'm going to be wearing with it. So keep that in mind, and this is a Scuba knit fabric. So second one is Ink. This one right here. So I am a fan of Asian art, Asian fashion, and right here this is my modern take on a Mandarin collar dress. So it's a little bit more sleek. It's like a halter type dress, and it has a bias cut skirt, and then at the side here there's actually a zipper that can open, and you can have a little slit at the knee. She is sleek and she's kind of more timeless, and this fabric has 2 sides. One is more of like a faux suede side, and the other one is more of like a jacquard side. I'm going to show that to you there. So can't go wrong with black. If you like this one, be sure to vote for this one. And then lastly, I have LAAL. So LAAL in Hindi means red, and it's actually made from a silk sari. So I was given a silk sari as a gift, and I decided that I wanted to turn it into an evening dress. And this is what I've come up with. It's an asymmetrical skirt line, and then it has a little like faux wrap on the top. And then the border trim of the sari is used in the waistband, and it ties in the front. And as you can see, it's a 2-layer, it's going to be a 2-layer dress though, because the sari itself is pretty sheer. But as you can see, here is the border trims, and it's really, really pretty. LAAL is made out of a silk Dupioni fabric, so it's a 2-tone fabric. It's really shiny, and it's kind of more crispy in its texture, as opposed to a silk charmeuse or a silk satin. It's really easy to sew. It has a nice structure to it. It can really handle pleating. It can really handle a lot of different treatments to it. but it is sheer. This particular one is kind of sheer. So I have lined it with a silk Habutae right here. And the nice thing about this is that lining the two together, you actually create a little bit more of a vivid color, if you can tell at that point.
Did you also use silk for the borders of the dress?
The border is like a silk blend, so it's a silk Zari blend. So the Zari right here is this gold thread. And so that's usually some kind of like a polyester thread. But
the shiny one?
Here, yeah, the shiny one right here.
Is more like polyester.
This one's more of a polyester thread. It's just, but the red part right here is silk. So if you can tell, the little two parts right there, this red part is silk and this one's more polyester. On this one right here, this one is a silk.
Sounds good. The yellow one is silk.
This yellow one right here is a silk as well. This one's mixed with several threads. So like this gold thread is still that polyester thread, but this yellow, bright yellow one is still a silk.
Mixed with the red and the polyester gold.
Yes. Awesome. So if you like LAAL the best and you think I should wear that, please vote for the LAAL in the comments.